Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of vibrant creations with the Hiipoo 2000ml Sublimation ink refilled bottles. This isn't just any ink. It's designed to bring your creative visions to life with stunning clarity and color. First off, let's talk about compatibility, because that's often the first hurdle for many. Hiipoo has really cast a wide net here. These refill bottles are designed to work seamlessly with a huge range of popular inkjet printers. We're talking about models like the WF7710, ET2760, ET2720, ET2803, ET2800, ET15000, C88, and C88+, among many others in the EcoTank and Task Force series. This broad compatibility means a lot of you out there can easily integrate this ink into your existing setup without a hitch. Now, what can you actually do with this ink? The application possibilities are truly expansive. If you're into personalizing items, you'll love this. It's perfect for heat press transfers on everything from mugs, plates, and t-shirts to pillows, phone cases, and even more unique items like cross-stitch, shoes, hats, ceramics, banners, flip-flops, wine glasses, socks, canvas, puzzles, hoodies, and wood. Imagine the custom gifts or merchandise you could create. The performance of this Hiipoo Sublimation ink is where it really shines. It's a water-based dye sublimation ink, which means it's engineered for high thermal transfer print rates. What does that translate to for you? Bright, vivid colors with incredibly high saturation. Your designs won't just be colorful, they'll pop with intensity. Plus, it boasts good penetration, fast-drying properties, and once transferred, it's water-resistant and color-fast. That means your creations will stand up to washing and wear without fading quickly, maintaining their brilliance over time. Inside the package, you get a generous amount, 500 ml each of black, cyan, magenta, and yellow sublimation ink, totaling a massive 2,000 ml. That's a lot of ink, ensuring you won't run out in the middle of a big project. The brand, Hiipoo, emphasizes that their sublimation ink is rigorously tested before delivery, ensuring strong stability and durability. This commitment to quality gives users confidence in their prints. However, there's an important detail to remember regarding fabric applications. Hiipoo sublimation inks can only be used effectively on fabrics containing less than 30% cotton. This is a standard characteristic of sublimation, as the dyes bond best with polyester fibers. So, if you're working with textiles, make sure to check the material composition for the best results. Overall, for anyone looking to dive into sublimation printing or upgrade their current ink, the Hiipoo 2000ml Sublimation ink offers a compelling package of wide compatibility, versatile applications, and reliable, vibrant performance. It's a solid choice for bringing professional quality color to your DIY projects.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.